ko medyo red na red ka ngayon, ha? Talagang celebrating our fourth quarterly, oo.
Energetic quarter na.
Exactly. And a week from now, we're gonna find out who among our wizards, okay? Sino sa kanila natin the great wizard who claim that also at the end of the rainbow, malalaman namin na. In fact, it could be any of our 4 players today. Let's meet them on the line.
The winning moments of RC Mabagu, the pride of Aralo University in Cabanatuan City.
My name, yeah. Natanong namin, RC, ano yung mga study habits mo for this 10th month in class?
Tapos kapag nag-aaral ako, nakatawad yata yung volume ng radyo namin.
Anong songs ng classical?
Pagkakilap.
While Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin walked on RC.
With RC. Michael Collins, very good. What is the Muslim equivalent of the Red Cross? Go ahead, RC. Red Crescent.
The only planet in the solar system where a day is actually longer than a
Go
year.
ahead, RC.
Venus is right.
Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to how many degrees in the Fahrenheit? Go ahead, RC.
212 degrees.
Exactly.
I would like to thank all of you who came here to support me and of course my friends and our school.
Ayan, so kitang-kita mo naman. Welcome back, RC.
Welcome back.
Napansin mo, Bernard, si RC, na medyo mas hindi pa tapos yung tanong, alam na niya, nag-budget na siya. Let's find out how she performs today. Welcome back, RC. Let's move right along.
We actually have 2 female finalists from Nueva Ecija.
Wow.
The second ruled our 44th weekly championship with 300 points, and in the monthly showdown, she logged 230 points. Both dramatic come-from-behind victories. Here's a flashback of the golden moments of Celeste Castro, ang pambato ng Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology in San Isidro.
Actually, final. Ano ang inspiration mo to study hard and to do well in this quiz show?
My mother.
Okay. Why your mother?
Because she's tough and she can withstand life's challenges.
And you're the same?
Well, I hope so.
What do you call the treatment of illness with highly concentrated oils extracted from plants? Go, Aki.
Aromatherapy.
Excellent. Among its popular varieties are Washington and Granny Smith.
Apple.
Apple, yeah. 20 points for you. The world's highest waterfall is Angel Falls with a total drop of, go ahead, Aki.
Venezuela.
Very good, Venezuela. What do you call the study of the properties of matter at very low temperatures, such as the preservation of blood and body organs using liquid nitrogen? Go ahead, Aki.
Cryogenic.
Very good, cryogenic.
Salamat na lang sa mga kaistera ko na nagpanalangin dyan sa akin.
Yes, welcome back, Aki, and good luck to you mamaya. Ayan, another psychic. Hindi pa lang yung tanong, Yes, oo naman. Okay, let's meet our third mental giant who scored 290 points the first time around and 300 points in winning our 12th and last monthly finals. Let's relive the triumphs of Edmund Bogart or ang bida ng Divine Light Academy sa Bacoor, Cavite, ER. How about you, ER? Sinong inspiration mo, or need I ask?
May special someone siya. Would you like to reveal who she is?
Kasama mo siya ngayon?
Unfortunately, no.
Oh.
And I think she's watching.
She's watching. I'm sure she's watching.
Hopefully.
It is variously considered as a language, a tool, a science, and a game.
Math.
Math, very good.
Very good, ER. Violence greeted the third-term inauguration of this controversial president of Peru, who is of Japanese descent.
Go ahead, ER.
Fujimori.
Very good.
Koreans twice as old as Anna. In 3 years, the sum of their ages will be 36. How old is Maria now?
ER.
20.
20 is the answer. The symbol of what European country is the 3-leaf shamrock or clover? ER, come on. Go for it.
Ireland.
Ireland, I would
would like to thank all of you, all my inspirations over there. Thank you. Inspiration!
Okay, Iya, welcome back. Ayan, hindi mo na ma-inspire. Oo. Medyo nalalong kinilig pa tayo nun, no, Berna? Okay, let's meet our fourth contestant. Our fourth and last finalist earned his berth in today's elite gathering by being the best among all the monthly runners-up of our fourth and last tournament quarter. He won our 41st weekly title with 250 points and placed second to RC in our 10th monthly finals with 240 points. Definitely not bad. Here's a second look at John Carlo Datis, ang utak ng Lacandula High School sa Tondo, Manila. Styles mo, mga
How did you prepare for
Oo.
Ang parang pag nagre-review, meron akong imaginary puzzle.
Kaya ka pa nag-aaral.
Small 10.
Okay. Its largest known kind is the so-named eminent star at over 6,000 carats. Ruby, very good.
Dante is the equivalent of thank you in what language?
Dante.
Dante. Dante.
Sherman.
Sherman, very good.
At age 16, he won his first Olympic medal at the Montreal Games of 1976. And then he went on to become the greatest
Go ahead,
rider
JC.
in history.
Very good.
That's
Very
right.
good.
Three of the five kingdoms of life are the animal, plant, and fungi kingdoms. Name the other two.
JC.
Listen.
Swapis and the Monaran.
That is
Exactly.
I would like to thank the Lord God and our principal, Dr. Alex Vidias, and our coach, Mr. Alan Aguad, and Mrs. Miriam Bravo. Time 3-1, thank you, I love you.
Ayan, kita-kita mo yung ngiti ni JC as we relive yung mga moments, di ba? People,
great moment.
oo, naalala. Gumagano ba siya? Nice one, pare. Okay, good luck to all of you. Now, all of you players have been here before. We'll start off with 100 points. Let's have that. And whoever scores the highest at the end of 5 quizzes, of course, wins the contest.
And the battleground consists of familiar 5 quizzes. We have password, picture puzzle, think, tactile, blockbusters, and megabytes.
That's
and
right.
of course, we'd like to remind everyone that there's no wild card entry to our
Right,
grand
oh.
finals. Only our 4 quarterly finals will be in that pinnacle of quiz excellence. So
So-
it's all or nothing today.
All or nothing, that's right. And as we all know, this show runs on brain power, and we'll see that power. We'll witness that power later on after a very short break. We'll be right back. The learning fun and excitement will continue only here on the Digital LG Quiz. Stick with us.